Today is May 16 and CBSE has opened the portal for applying for rechecking of marks. In this video, you will see how to apply for rechecking of marks on the CBSE portal. In my earlier video, I had told you that go to CBSE's academic website. You have to type cbse.gov.in on your browser. And when you go to the academic website, you will be directed to this page. On this page, you will have to click on the link Pariksha Sangam. As you can see over here, the link for rechecking and re-evaluation has been opened. When you click on it, you will be directed to this page where, as you can see on the left-hand side, it's written apply for verification class 12, apply for verification class 10, fee payment, link, check fee status, application status, and helpline. So if you're a grade 10, 12th student, you have to click on the first link, and if you're a grade 10 student, you have to click on the second link. The important point over here is after you apply, you'll be given an application number which you should note down and keep it very safe with you. You will need it for your future correspondence. Keep your admit cards handy because for applying for verification also, you will need your roll number, your school number, and the center number, which are given at the top right-hand corner of your admit card. Subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. Share it with your family and friends so that the information reaches far and wide.